I hear, go get the money. So I go get it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money. So I go get it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. Early bird, go get the worm. Worm in the dirt. I can show you what I'm worth.
Okay, so we're all done. All big lube, hard work's paid off. I think the car looks amazing. I hope you agree. It was quite stressful at times, but I managed to get it done. The service is done. Everything went quite smoothly. As always with Big Lou, there's always an issue. Like you can see my rave lights in the background. They're the aftermarket LEDs in the headlining. They're possessed. They need to be changed, but you can see the ones down here are fine. We've got the TV's working good. Oh, who's that handsome boy? So the TV's working good. We've got the best channel on YouTube playing right now, Big Unano baby. But yeah, you know, I'm really happy. The big question is going to be, what does Unano think? So why don't we? Let's go get her and get her reaction, because it's her car at the end of the day and she's got to be happy. Let's go get her, shall we? Here she is.
Hi, hello. How are you? I'm here. Unano here.
Yeah, selfie time there. No. Selfie time.
I'm here.
There she is. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's see what you're doing.
Where are we going?
I'm going to show you all my hard work. I fixed your car for you. That's not your car. That's not yours. That's not yours. That's not yours. No. It's not yours. It's not yours. No, that's not yours either. No. Your BMW that you crashed. It's here. No, but I fixed it. It's not open, I haven't opened it yet. What do you think?
Oh, you fixed it.
Of course I fixed it. It looks like new now.
Big Lou fixed the car for me. You remember what happened here?
Keep going. You're just really close to the lamppost. Keep going, keep going. Hang on, you're too close to...
Oh!
No!
Why did you fix it?
In the cold. I got cold and...
You're gonna show them.
They're gonna see it all. What do you think though? Are you impressed or what? What are you doing? Yeah, it's cold.
I love it. Thank you.
No, you're not getting in that side. Why are you going in there?
I wanna drive.
No, not like last time. No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Look, I've set the seat up so she can't reach.
No, I'm driving this second.
Not like last time. No, come on.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on. No.
Am I banned from driving?
No, come on. Ban for now until... I don't want to fix it again.
I'm not promise. I'm gonna drive this one. No. What do you call that?
No
I'm not
damage.
gonna damage
No
it. I'm not
crashing.
gonna crash it.
Sige.
Yeah? Give me that key, please.
No, come on. This is just for you to see. You're the passenger
Oh,
now.
I thought I'm gonna drive.
Look, come. You can lie in the back. Look, you've got all that room to lie down in the back.
Alright. Where's my blanket?
In you go.
Where's my blanket? Oh! So I have here my blanket. Good night. Good night. Thank you so much, Boo, for fixing my car.
Did Big Lou do good?
Yes. Well done, Big Lou.
So I can fix bikes. I can fix cars.
And you can.
I can fix you.
Me.
Big Lou's. Am I super? No, I'm Batman.
I'm Batman.
I'm Bane. Who are you? Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman.
I'm Wonder Woman.
Why?
You know why? Because I wonder where I left my glasses, my wallet, and my underwear.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? No. Yeah, good luck with that. What do I need to do?
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to Big Unano channel. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you.
What are you doing? What are you doing?